Transform your Nikon Z6 II into a portable powerhouse with this simple trick to use your Android phone as a field monitor. First, ensure your Nikon Z6 II is updated to its latest firmware, as this is crucial for seamless connectivity. On your Z6 II, access the Setup menu, then navigate to the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth section. Enable Wi-Fi. On your Android phone, go to your Wi-Fi settings and look for the network broadcast by your Nikon Z6 II. It will typically be named something like NWZ6IXXXX. Connect to this network. Now, head to your Google Play Store and search for the SnapBridge app by Nikon. Download and install it. Open SnapBridge and follow the on-screen prompts to pair your phone with your Z6 II. This might involve confirming a code displayed on both devices. Once connected, tap on the remote photography option within SnapBridge. This is where the magic happens. You'll now see a live feed from your Z6 II directly on your phone screen. This larger display makes it incredibly easy to preview your shots, critically evaluate focus, and monitor your exposure settings. This setup is fantastic for precise focusing, especially when shooting video or in challenging lighting conditions where the camera's smaller LCD can be limiting. The convenience of having a larger, more responsive screen right in your hand significantly enhances your on-set workflow, allowing for more confident and accurate shooting. Happy shooting, and remember to experiment with different phone mounts for the most comfortable and secure setup.